Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss how to improve pound yen and FX technical analysis. How to improve pound yen and FX technical analysis. Many technical traders love the daily charts, and very often a lot of swing traders, day traders, we use the daily chart to pinpoint high probability trading setup. Once those traders identify a high probability trading setup on a daily chart, and they want to day trade or swing trade. Now the question is this the best way, to use the technical analysis if one is trading the pound yen or FS? In this tutorial, I will show you how to improve your pound yen and FS technical analysis. So on the daily chart, what do we see here? Our lovely stochastic 833 is oversold. Should you buy here? Some traders may say, yes, you must buy because the stochastic is oversold. Now the question is, are you trading the stochastic or the price itself? So bringing us to the number one indicator, which is the price itself, we want to start drawing lines on our chart, trend lines on our chart. So what I'm doing here, on the daily chart, we have this bearish trend line. On the daily chart, be aware of that bearish trend line. So it's a bearish trend line. So it's telling us that people are selling. So the price on the daily chart price form a high and a lower high. And here it is. So price went down to form a new lower low in comparison to those low here. And then rally up, a bit to retest this key level, the horizontal key level at 15936. So break below that key level, retest it, boom, down. Now it did below the next key level, 14321. And then it retest it here, break below, retest, boom, down. Now it came down near the next key level at 12594. If the financial instrument is going down, it's looking for a key level, it's looking for a better support level, So break below, a key level, and retest it, break below another key support level, retest it. Now again, you retest it here, people sold it. Now you retest it again here, people are selling again. All right, and let's look at this oversold. Should we buy or not? So when it's stochastic, you can see on the daily chart is oversold, is pointing to us a support level. So which support level? This one here. So now the stochastic 883 is oversold here is pointing to us this previous support here where the price did this final support and rally up a bit. The price is now coming near that support level, and the stochastic is pointing to other support level. If the price breaks below that support level at 13319, if it breaks below it, the stochastic will remain oversold for some time, and the price will go to the next support level, which is 12594. What I've been saying to traders lately is this, that the price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. On a daily chart, we can see that, it is a bearish trend line. The price is below a bearish trend line, all right? If the price is below a bearish trend line and one is buying, one should be very careful. One should be very, very careful, One should be cautious, In my view, it will be better for the pound yen to continue to go down a little bit more, probably to come near the level of 12594. A very essential, a very important key level, 12594. And from that point onward, we will look for an opportunity to buy the pound yen. So at this point in time, my friend, it looks to me that the British pound yen will continue to go down, If one wants to buy at this stage, though the price below the bearish trend line, if one wants to buy near the level of 13319, All right. One will only give priority to bullish signal above the 13319 for day trading purposes. All right. Using a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method. So just by looking at this bearish trend line, it's clear to me that people are selling more than they are buying, and the price is forming. You see this low here, this low, pull back from this low. Now it went to display a new lower low here. Now it rally up to retest that level. Will it find a support at 13319, or will it break below it back to the level of 12594? This is what we can see on the daily chart. But if you stop on the daily chart alone, okay, one can make, okay, a trading mistakes. So in order to avoid, okay, technical trading mistakes, one should use different time frame. But generally, a lot of traders will only stop on the daily chart, and they don't want to look on the weekly chart or the monthly chart. I'm going to go now to the monthly chart. Here we are on the monthly chart. All right. On the monthly chart, pay attention. So now it's becoming clear to us. I am ignoring the low of this candle here, and I'm considering only the low of this bullish candle here. Follow my cursor, this bullish candle here. I'm ignoring the low of this one here, and I'm focusing on the low of this one, and I draw a line there. Let's color that line into red so you can see on my chart. The level of 12594 is a very important key level that traders should not ignore if they are trading FS or the pound yen, 12594. Then I highlight also, I'm ignoring the high of those two candlestick bar, and I'm focusing on the closing price. Now I draw another line there. And the next key level is 15936. The median line of the red channel, so you can see the horizontal red channel. The median line is near, it's not exact median line, it's near the level of color into orange. That's the median line, 14321. So where are we now? Looking at the price structure on the monthly chart. The price was consolidating between the level 15936 and the level of 12594. The price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So professionals are selling near the level of 15936. If the price going down, it comes down near the level of 12594. Those who sold it here will be willing to take some profit. That's why this candle here, which is the month of July, the price has a bit of, the candlestick bar here has a bit of tail. You see the tail of this candle, because the price, they sold it here and they took profit here. Now the price went back a bit, okay? All right, that's why on the daily chart, I'm telling you, if you want to buy, it's better to give priority to bullish signal above the 13319. But if one is buying above 13319, be aware of the median line at 14321. All right. So what has happened now? The price break below the median line, the orange line. You see here this candle, it breaks below the median line. And what it did, break below, and it retests the orange line. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. Maybe you will see it on the daily chart. See here, this is the candle on the monthly chart, break below the median line, and it retests it here, and people sold it down. Now it went back again to retest the median line after breaking below it, and people are selling it down. Will it come back all the way to 12594? Now we know what is happening here. People are selling at 15936, and people are buying here 12594. But those who sold it here are taking their profit near the 12594, and bullish traders who do not want to sell want to buy near the 12594. So what is happening now? The bullish trader bought it at 12594. The British pound yen, they bought it at 12594. The price goes up. Now it hits the median line at 14321. Now the bearish traders are not giving up, and they are selling again near the median line, and the price is going down. But there is a support here at 13319. So if you want to buy, the best place to buy at a low risk entry point is at 12594. okay, using a top-down trading method. So when the price goes down all the way near the 125.194, there are buyers here. This is the low-risk entry point to buy using a multiple time frame trading method. The setup, the signal, and the low-risk entry point. If you want to know more about multiple time frame trading method, check the videos at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Multiple time frame trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, or top-down trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So here, it comes down here, we'll use a top-down trading method to trade it near the 12594. But where we are now, there is another support level at 13319. So if you come near 13319 and then find a support, again, the drill is there, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. Multiple time frame trading method, signal fail, we are out. You see now? So watch the level of 12594, base support level. There is another support level at 13319 for the British pound, Japanese yen. We are talking about FS trading, all right? So here we are. So the price now coming down. So they sold it near the median line. It's coming down near the 133. Will it find the support? If not, if it doesn't find the support and we want to sell, so which means if it breaks below the level 13319, this is what the price will not time. Break below, retest, or from a lower high below the 13319, and we see the first bearish candlestick bar, we implement the top down trading method to sell it down. Okay, break below, retest, turn around. Or if the price come down near the level 133, and now we switch to the hourly time frame or 30-minute time frame, and we start seeing a bullish chart pattern near the 13319, it means that the price, okay, the bearish momentum is diminishing. We can carefully buy it above the 13319. But if we are buying, it's a contra trade because of this bearish trend line. People are selling more than they are buying. So if you are buying a 133 above the 13319, okay, it's a contra trend. We need to control the risk carefully, all right? And if it's working beautifully and the price going up, watch the median line at 14321. So you have your trading strategy, your trading system, you have your own trading method, but you want to use it carefully. So you have a trading method, all right? You have your own trading method that you are using. You want to trade it, okay, around key levels. Break below, retest, turn around, break above, retest, turn around. Implementing a top-down trading method without ignoring the economy news. One thing I've been saying to traders is this: if one does not want to check the economy news, do not trade FS. This is serious. Do not trade FS if you don't want to pay attention to the economy news. Talking about economy news, my friend, I also say to traders that it is better to avoid trading between the 1st and the 8th of each month, because of the high impact economy news that are released during the first week of the month. So next week is the beginning of the month of August. It's the first week of the month. For some traders, it's better to just avoid trading up to the 8th. Do not trade on the 8th, 1st to the 8th, and start trading from the 9th. I also say to traders to avoid trading around between the 15, the 16, between the 15 and the 20th of each month. All right? Because trading during those periods can be quite challenging, all right? But talking about, how to improve, the pound yen and FS technical analysis, it's not all about technical analysis. It's about knowing also when is the best time to trade, to day trade, to swing trade, all right? So you can trade, but you don't want to trade, all right, when the market environment is quite challenging. But if you want to trade when the market environment is quite challenging, you want to know that it's challenging at least, all right? And then you want to minimize your risk, which means you don't want to overtrade. Probably you want to take only one trade and keep your eyes wide open. And if you don't want to accumulate losses during the first week of the month, what usually is taking place, my friend, just by stopping to trade during the first week of the month from the 1st to the 8th, you can quickly improve, your FS trading without doing nothing, all right? So what usually takes place during the first week of the month, from the 1st to the 8th, trader very often will lose. So some traders that have their salary on the 30th or end of the month will fund their trading account and they will trade from the 1st to the 8th. And because it's a quite challenging period to trade FS, they lose their money. Okay. Then on around the end of the month, they have their salary again, or they have another money, they fund their trading account again, and they trade again from the 1st to the 8th, and they lose again. And this roller coaster, it keep going on. For some traders, all right, probably they know about the first week of the month, but they are ignoring the between the 15th and the 20th, which is also quite challenging to trade forex because of the high impact economy news and the volatility in the forex market. So in order to improve your pound yen and FS technical analysis, one should know, the best time to trade, best time to come into the forex market to trade. Now, if you do not know how to trade FS and you want to improve your FS trading, it's not only about the best time to trade, it's also about how to trade. So how do you trade? Very simple. Find a high probability trading setup and implement a top-down trading method without ignoring the economy news. Very simple. So you want to find a high probability trading setup. The high probability trading setup will occur at a hot spot trading zone around key levels. That's why we are talking about 12594, the 13319, 14321, and the 15936. All right? The price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. We have this red channel on the monthly chart. The price now on the lower part of the channel, but people are selling more than they are buying. But very often, a lot of traders, now you see that we change time frame from the daily chart to the monthly chart, it becomes clear now that, all right, it's better to use different time frame instead of using a daily chart alone. You can see that when we went to the daily monthly chart, we can see other things that we could not see on a daily chart. All right, it makes sense? This is how you want to trade. So to summarize this video, in order to improve, your pound yen or FS technical analysis, all right, you want to know when is the best time to trade. So you don't want to trade, when the market is against you. The market, all right, so you want to sell, all right, you want to check the weather, all right. So between the 1st to the 8th, not very good. Between the 15th to the 20th, market environment can be quite volatile. So you want to minimize your risk and control, your trade carefully, all right? Now the next step, how are you trading, Are you just trading using the stochastic? Are you just trading using the RSI or MACD? Are you implementing a top-down trading method? What is a top-down trading method, all right? Use different time frame. Spend more time to validate your trading setup. Know your high probability trading setup that are working for you and concentrate on those. You want to buy? Remember, you want to buy at a support level. Break above, retest, turn around. Either a support level, a resistance, or a trend line. You want to sell, break below, retest, turn around. Either a support, a resistance, or a trend line. It makes sense? It is also powerful. Hope you have learned something for this video also, and we put it to use, to make excellent, pound yen and FS, technical analysis. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. I want to remind traders that the pound yen itself, talking about the financial instrument that one is trading, the pound yen is not for children, it's not for beginners, all right? It's not for new traders. It's volatile, it's difficult to trade the pound yen. So apart from when is the best time to trade, how are you trading, one should also examine the financial instrument one is trading, all right? So the pound yen is not easy to trade the pound yen, all right? So you want to know which financial instrument is friendly. For instance, the euro dollar is friendly, the pound dollar is friendly, all right? The euro Swiss franc is useless, doesn't go anywhere very much, volatile going up and down. So you want to understand the characteristic of the financial instrument that you are trading. Know, okay, the structure of the market. When is the market viable? All right. And also, how do you trade? You trade like a pro using multiple time frame trading method, find a high probability trading setup on the edge around key levels, and know the price structure that is in place. So talking about the pound yen, the current price structure is a consolidation between 15936 and the level of 12594. The median line is 14321. That's why professional manage to sell this pound yen as the price D below the median line and retest it here on the daily chart. If they did not know the price structure, they won't have implemented that strategy. All right? Break below, retest. The price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to improve pound yen and FX technical analysis. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.